Ready for a bike upgrade? You might want to check out these two e-bikes in this video. Reavo, the hubless e-bike. Every year, millions of bikes are getting stolen with someone losing a ride every second. To prevent this, Beno Incorporated designed an electric bike with loads of security features while making sure it rides as well as it looks. Reavo also aims to make your commutes easier and safer by packing them with almost every device you'll need. So gone are the days when you have to charge every single thing on your bike, including your light, smart lock, and GPS. With Reavo, all you'll need is your bike. In terms of price, Reavo isn't exactly cheap. It has a list price of around $3,450, which is more expensive than popular bikes, including the electric bike company's Model X, $1,699, Propella 7-speed, $1,299, or Rad Power Bike's electric utility bike, $1,199. However, at this price level, it also isn't the most expensive electric bicycle in the market. Compared to the Allant Plus 9.9S, $5,999, and Gazelle Ultimate T10 Plus HMB, $3,999, it's actually more affordable. Even better, Reavo is offered on Indiegogo at a cheaper price. Instead of $3,450, you may experience the Reavo starting at only $2,278. Triple Barrier Anti-Theft System. Reavo is equipped with a triple barrier anti-theft system to make sure your bike stays exactly yours. To be specific, it has the following functions. One-touch fingerprint sensor. This allows you to lock and unlock your bike without the need for a key. Automatic lock. There's an advanced wheel locking mechanism that's integrated within the bike's frames. This prevents the Reavo from moving and protects it from tampering with devices, such as bolt cutters. GPS with motion detection. Reavos are said to house a microchip within its frame that actively scans for motions and sends alerts to your phone when triggered. It also comes with a GPS module, which can be located and tracked anywhere and anytime through the Reavo app. Ambient light sensor. Reavo is equipped with a bright headlamp and tail light. It also has an ambient light sensor, which can detect darkness and automatically turn these lights on and off, providing you with an extra layer of protection. Hubless wheel configuration. The most distinct feature of Reavo is its hubless wheel design, which is said to be safe up to 265 pounds or 120 kilograms. Its wheels are completely centerless and built around a strong core with a sleek matte black finish. There are also storage points in the wheel itself, providing you with space to mount a bag. While being hubless is what makes Reavo unique, it may also be its weak point. The reason why every car, bike, truck, and the vehicle has hubs, even to this day, is that they work. They are lightweight and sturdy, allowing wheels to turn easily around an axle. So taking them away on the Reavo makes us slightly skeptical about how good it will turn out. Freetech bike. Freetech is built with an array of smart features, including advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, to give your e-bike an unprecedented 360-degree view of your surroundings while you ride. ADAS redefines rider safety, providing blind spot detection and cross-traffic alerts for collision avoidance. Smart handlebar. The touchscreen LCD display, phone charger, and holder are integrated into the cool T-shaped design of the handlebar. The buttons on it control all LED lights. The handlebar also lights up turn signals, while in the back, the brake light shines when you come to a stop. There is a phone holder at the center of its handlebar, which can turn your smartphone into a control center showing the status of the e-bike app. It can also charge the smartphone. Removable graphene lithium battery. This design means the battery can be charged on or off the bike. Graphene batteries have been proven to have a much higher capacity on average than lithium-ion batteries, even at smaller sizes. The addition of graphene to lithium batteries by nanotechnology is used to improve the charge rate performance, energy capacity, power density, and stability because of its high surface area ratio, stable chemical properties, and fine electrical and thermal conductivity. A graphene lithium hybrid battery is not only safer in the event of a crash, but it can also provide a much longer range on a single charge in 15 minutes with a smaller, lighter battery. Due to their flat, easily conducting structure, graphene batteries even charge much faster. The scientist claimed graphene-based lithium hybrid super battery charges 18 times faster than a general lithium-ion battery. Built-in taillight, turn signal light, brake light, and laser indicator. A vertical LED rear light is integrated into the seat post. Two parallel laser beams, Flashing and always bright modes are emitted from laser indicators for communication with other drivers and pedestrians by projecting signals onto the road. It is also equipped with a turn signals light to enable other vehicles to know what direction riders will go. The brake light is activated when the bike stops. The blinking hazard light safety feature provides visual alerts to warn of vehicles approaching from behind. Custom-made upgraded rear mid-drive motos. We improve the motor to minimize energy waste and reduce heat generation on the efficiency of motor control and thus the overall efficiency of e-bikes. The torque sensor in the rear wheel motor with Freetech self-developed software provides extra effort to combat headwind resistance and quicker harmonious handling for a more comfortable riding experience. The motor automatically adjusts the gearbox ratio by detecting the speed of the e-bike regarding the speed sensor. I hope, in this video, you get to know more about the latest unique gadgets on the market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.